This is Tina from Shandong Moonlight, and today I'm going to get you to explore the beauty equipment manufacturer from Weifang, China, which focuses on innovation and excellence all in one. This is our product consultant team. We have formed an experienced product consultant and after-sales team. This is our after-sales service team. We provide 24-hour online service, quick response within 3 minutes, and support online machine viewing. This is our production department. After configuration confirmation, the production department will make a plan and send it to the purchasing department. When the engineering department checks the accessories, production will start within 3 to 7 working days. Keep you updated on machine progress. Now we have entered the dust-free workshop of international standard, which can better guarantee the quality of laser equipment. In the dust-free workshop, we assemble machines, solder circuit carefully, program circuit boards, and test the cables strictly for excellent quality. Technical engineers with many years of rich work experience and strict production standard processes ensure the quality of assembly and welding processes. This is our strict quality inspection process. The equipment operating system is accurately tested and quality inspected 24 hours a day. Finally, we shoot a product test video for you so you understand the latest status of the machine intuitively. All machines are packed in air boxes to ensure safety during transportation. Once the machine has been packaged, we will send them to the shipping agent to start the freight process. During this period, your dedicated clear manager will track the logistics status throughout the process and provide you with the tracking number in time to ensure that you can always keep the trace of the package. Moonlight's products have been market proven for 19 years and are trusted by more than 50 million beauty institutions. Moonlight is committed to developing and manufacturing beauty equipment with innovative ideas and perfect results.